Let's get in the kitchen and make this super delicious cornbread. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you a super easy way to make some delicious cornbread. For this quick and easy recipe, I'm using a box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. For my cornbread batter, I'm using buttermilk, evaporated milk, sour cream, Mexican vanilla blend, honey, some butter, and 1 egg. The first thing that I do is pour the entire mix into a bowl. To a 1/3 measuring cup, I'm adding equal parts of buttermilk and evaporated milk. Add the milk in, then some sour cream, add the vanilla blend, the egg, some honey, and some melted butter. Using a whisk, I'm just mixing everything all together, combine all those ingredients to form a nice batter. After whisking everything all together, this is how the batter looks, nice and smooth and free of lumps and ready for me to start the baking process. To prevent any sticking, I'm just using some butter to grease the pan that I'm about to use. Then I just pour the batter into the baking pan as evenly as possible. Once the oven is preheated and a timer of 20 minutes is set, I just add the cornbread into the oven. After 20 minutes of baking, I remove the cornbread from the oven. I prefer my cornbread on the sweet side, so for a little extra sweetness, I'm just drizzling some honey on top. And then I'm just finishing everything off with some melted butter so the cornbread stays even more moist and is nice and buttery. So here we have the finished cornbread, nice, buttery, super moist, and so delicious. Be sure to give this recipe a try, and I promise you won't regret it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share this video, drop a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, and I will see you in the next video.